Can I replace a standard roller brush with a TriCut anti-tangle brush? In many cases, yes. As long as the size and the connectors match the robot vacuum. A TriCut brush has hidden blades that cut hair as it wraps around the roller, and the cut hair is then put into the dustbin, and it's especially useful for homes with pets or people with long hair. Yeah. TriCut roller brush may work with some Dreame models like the Dreame X30 X40 L40 L30 L20 L10 series, yeah, as well as several Xiaomi models such as Xiaomi X20 M30s and M40, yeah. However, it could be a little louder, yeah, and cleaning performance may vary, especially on carpet. Before buying, check your exact model number, the brush dimensions, and the connector on both ends. After installation, spin the brush button, then run the robot for 5 to 10 minutes. If there is no unusual noise, jamming, or error message, it's probably a good fit. Not sure if it works with your robot vacuum? Leave the brand and exact model in the comments.